All right, so we are now in the lobby of CS2. As you can see, um, you can click dashboard, pretty much the dashboard, right? So we can just click play if you want on the upper, like up top portion of the screen. So for example, you can't log into the game. There's errors and whatnot. All you need to do is number one, try to what do you call this? Try to see if there is an update of Counter-Strike 2, because sometimes that does happen. You need to update your game first before you could actually play it properly. So to do that, let's just quit desktop, click quit, and then now we are in Steam. So what you need to do is if there are any updates, so you're going to see this small manage downloads section here in the bottom of the screen. Just click on that. And if Counter-Strike 2 has an update, it's going to show here. And all you need to do is click on update. It's going to download the new files that it needs to download. And it's going to be fixed. And most of the time that works. But if it doesn't work, you need to go to the library, right? And then, as you can see, this is Counter-Strike 2, right? Right click. And then click on properties. And then properties, click install files. And sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. But, like if you're desperate, you could try verifying the game files if it's installed correctly. So all you need to do is click on this, verify, and it's going to verify. And most often than not, this also fixes the issue. And yeah, those are the two ways. Aside from that, you can also, after doing all of these, you could also exit Steam and then relaunch it. And then try these again. And most of the time, these work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.